Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So today we're going to continue my top 5 iconic Grammy looks featuring none other than Lady Gaga herself. She rocked this red and gold look on the red carpet at the Grammys last year, and I'm going to try to recreate it. So if you are interested in seeing how I achieved this look, keep on watching. No look is a look without primer, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to take my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and I'm just going to prime my face. Alright, next from Benefit, I'm going to take their Professional Primer and I'm just going to dab a little bit where I get the most oily, which is around my T-zone. And a little bit on my nose, you know, make sure everything sticks and stays. Alright, so for foundation, I am just going to... Alright, so for foundation, I'm just going to go in with my L'Oreal True Match Foundation in the color Caramel Beige. And I'm just going to buff that in with my Tarte foundation brush. So like I asked in my last couple of looks, what is your favorite Lady Gaga song and what is your favorite Lady Gaga album? I want to know. Alright, so for concealer, I'm just going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Medium and give myself just a little bit of highlight. But barely, because this is a little bit lighter than my actual color, but hey, I'm working with what I have. So I would honestly say that my favorite Gaga album would have to be Fame. And it's a toss-up between Paparazzi and Poker Face. Like, I feel like those two songs, like, I can listen to those any time of day and be acting like it just dropped like today. It's one of those iconic albums and she is a legend in her own right. She's up there with the Madonna, hey, even Cher, okay? Like, Gaga is the ish. Don't fight me on this. I mean, she hatched out of an egg one year at the Grammys. I mean, who does that? Who does that? Alright, so once I have got all of that situated, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my powder, my Patrick Starrr powder, and I'm just going to set under my eyes. If I can get this thing open. I'm truly loving this powder. Like, if you have not got a hold of some of this, like, you are completely out of touch with reality, because this powder is really good. I mean, really good. And because we're working with glitter, I'm gonna have to make sure that I double up on my powder, because I know that there's gonna be hell fallout. So because I'm working with glitter, I'm not taking any chances. I'm definitely gonna powder up my face until I can't powder it up anymore, because I know that there's gonna be a lot of fallout. But anyways, moving right along, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take a little bit of my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm gonna move y'all up a little closer so y'all can see. But we're gonna be using this palette, the one that I love so much, and if you ever watch my Morphe review palette video, you know what I had to do to get this palette. So anyways, moving right along. Alright, so let's see, to set my face, I'm just going to use this color right here and just kind of set my eyeshadow into place, because I know we're gonna have fallout, and I'm just gonna buff this in with a nice fluffy brush. Alright, so now that I have my eye base kind of straight, I'm going to go in with, I think I'm going to go in with this color right here. And I'm going to take a pencil brush and get that started because we'll be packing on glitter later. So I'm gonna get this as precise as possible. And I'm kind of trying to make a wing, although I'm kind of failing at it, but we can blend that out later and cover it up with eyeliner. It's makeup, there are no rules. So I hear that Pink and Lady Gaga are supposed to hit the stage together at the Grammys, and I've been a fan of Pink since forever, so I'm actually kind of looking forward to that. What other performances are you all looking forward to seeing at the Grammys in a couple of days? Alright, so I'm just gonna take my blending brush and I'm gonna try to salvage this look because, oh my goodness, it definitely is a little bit on the messy side already. So I'm just gonna take some more of that red and just kind of tap, tap, tap it on. There is no rhyme or reason. I'm just literally just tapping it on because I know that there's going to be a lot of fallout, but I'm trying to make it as clean as possible because remember, we're going to be using glitter later. Alright, now that we kind of got that situated, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find it. Here it is. Alright, so I'm just gonna go in with, ooh, it's better on this side. Just gonna go in with this color right here, and I'm just gonna carve out a little bit of my inner corner because really all this eyeshadow is a base for the actual glitter colors. So stay tuned, folks, stay tuned. Alright, so I'm gonna take just a little bit more of that red color and just make sure that everything is kind of even over here, and then we can move on to the glitter. In hindsight, I should have really put on actual primer as opposed to just using my concealer slash foundation as a primer, but it is okay. We can't turn back the hands of time now. And then I'm just gonna go and just blend a little on the outside to just kind of diffuse it a little bit, but I'm not touching the actual shade that's on my eyelid right now. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take my NYX glitter primer, and I'm just going to tap away on my eyelids where I want all of my eyeshadow to sit. And I did put a lot on here. That was completely not supposed to happen, but we're gonna make it work because in makeup there are no rules. So I personally think Lady Gaga is dope AF. So I met, well, I wouldn't necessarily say met, but I saw her speak at the 2013 or 2014 South by Southwest conference. She was a keynote speaker at one of the hotels, and I was completely blown away by just how humble she was. Like, she was pretty dope, and I just like the fact that she has really evolved her artistry. Like, anybody that can do an album or a project with Tony Bennett, like, Google him. And for her to be able to have a project with her, or a project with him, I should say, and it be such a classic, like, mind blown, almost more mind-blowing than Queen Latifah's jazz album. Did y'all know she had a jazz album? Like, old girl can sing. But yeah, no, Lady Gaga is dope. And then I saw her earrings that she had, like an ad campaign that she did with Tiffany last year, and then her Super Bowl performance last year. It was pretty funny. Like, did you see her? I don't know what she did, but she dropped into a hole or something during her performance, and I was just like, only Lady Gaga could do that and make it look fun. All right, so let me make a wish and hope that I can do the left eye the exact same way. All right, y'all, so this is the completed look. I went on ahead and did my face off camera because the rest of my foundation routine, highlight, contour, nothing has changed, y'all. I promise y'all, nothing has changed. But I will leave the products below in the description box. But if you like the video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, you know what to do. But yeah, that's all the time that I have today. So remember, until my next upload, that kindness doesn't cost you a thing, but your attitude will cost you everything. So be kind and be you.